You know how important it is to get flavorings, essences, and fragrances just right when making food and beverages. Even the tiniest change in a flavoring can throw everything off. Suddenly your product is too sour, too sweet, or has the wrong tang. And sometimes, additives can completely change the way a food smells without changing the taste at all. That's why dosing pumps in the food and beverage industry need to be incredibly precise and consistent. When you're working with additives, it's not just about flavor. It's also about controlling waste. The right dosing and metering pump helps you maintain product quality while cutting down on unnecessary ingredient loss. But accuracy isn't the only factor. You also want pumps that are easy to clean, flexible enough for different recipes, and quick to adjust when production needs change. That's where choosing the right pump really makes a difference. When you work with an experienced supplier, you'll get pumps designed with the features that matter most, like stable control, easy changeovers, high accuracy, quick cleaning, compact system design, direct pump control, efficient operation, and even automatic filling. Today's smart dosing pumps take it up another level. With built-in sensors, they can handle automatic filling and manage the entire dosing cycle for you. That means you get consistent, reliable liquid delivery with the flexibility your process demands. At Illinois Process Equipment, or IPE, you'll find a wide selection of high-quality pumps from the best names in the industry. From food-grade Grundfos metering and dosing pumps to centrifugal and gear pumps, IPE has the expertise and the equipment to match your exact needs. Behind every solution, IPE's team of experienced engineers is there to help. They don't just provide pumps. They provide complete process solutions, from system design and cost-benefit analysis to installation, troubleshooting, testing, and repairs. So, if you're ready to improve your product quality and process efficiency, IPE is here to help you do it with the best pumps available for food and beverage dosing. Contact Illinois Process Equipment today to learn more about improving your process with the right pumps.